Alright, what's up everyone? How's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Now you can see me sitting in the back. Today guys, I'm going over something super important. Can you focus please? Focus, there we go. I'm going over something super important. This is the Rideshare Hub. Thank you for coming. Smash the thumbs up button and subscribe. But no, for real guys. If you want to make more money, you definitely should be subscribed to this channel. If you don't want to make more money, then click away. But today, guys, we are talking about some super important news update. Not even clickbait at all. So I know sometimes I do a little like sad face clickbait, but no, for real, guys. Uber just proposed a $21 per hour, $21 per hour wage in response to everything that's going on in California. So we're gonna get into that, but before I do, smash a thumbs up button if you drive for Uber and for Lyft, and if you want to make more money, smash the thumbs up button for good luck, smash the thumbs up button, and maybe one day you too can make $21 per hour. All right, let's get into this, guys. So here we go here. This is by TechCrunch. Uber proposes policy that would pay drivers a minimum wage. So minimum, so I guess you can go even higher. Let's see who wrote this. Megan Rose Dickey. Maybe you should follow her on Twitter. Hit her up. Lyft Uber CEO is $45 million a year. Meat, not enough for healthcare. Pink, purple are nice, but we need green. Grr, $100 bills. He wants $100. Hey, I want $100 too, man. Okay, they're just making fun of. I feel like these are not very helpful. I don't know, what do you guys think? Of course he's gonna make more. Like, he's the CEO. What do you expect? You wanna make as much as the CEO? Okay. On the heels of a driver-led protest outside of Uber's San Francisco headquarters, where drivers showed their support for gig worker protection legislation via Assembly Bill 5 and demanded a union, Uber is circulating a petition urging people to protect ride-sharing in California. In addition, Uber advocates for a policy that would offer drivers a minimum of $21 per hour while on a trip, paid time off, sick leave, and compensation if they're injured while driving, as well as collective voice and the ability to influence, influencer, decisions about their work. Yeah, they did make a new website. Let's check out this website really quick because hashtag research, hashtag data, hashtag science. I know you guys always say, Dylan, you know you don't do enough research. So now this is research, guys. Go on the internet, type in independentdriver.org. Let's look at the research together. While that loads, see, I am on a hotspot, so it might take a second to load. Where is it talking about the 21? Let's see, this is always what I do. I'm lazy. I don't even have time to read. I just go to this. The story has been updated to clarify that Uber is proposing to pay $21 per hour. We regret the lack of clarity. We've also updated the post with a comment from Gig Workers Rising. Okay, here we go. In the petition, Uber advocates for a policy that would offer drivers a minimum $21 per hour, paid time off, sick leave, and compensation if they're injured, as well as collective voice. Okay, honestly, that sounds pretty legit. Paid time off, sick leave, and compensation? I want that. Heck yes, count me in. Okay, here we go. This is the thing that loaded. Protect independence. California drivers deserve to flexible work. Focus, I'm focused. Got a body like that, ain't never seen nothing like that. All right, here we go. Share your driver independence story. Should we? Oh yeah, this is what I was talking about. You can record your video. Should I send in a video? Let's do it. Let's record a little video action here. Maybe we can. Oh, I have horrible Wi-Fi, or else can't even watch the video. It just goes straight back up. Come on, Uber, fix your website, bro. Keep videos under 30 seconds. Say your name and where you live. Use respectful language and more. Record from a quiet spot. Dang it, I can't record from a highway. Shoot talkie mushrooms. What do you guys think about this though? 20 bucks an hour? Are you satisfied? Do you want more? I feel like I make more than that, honestly, like already. But I guess the paid sick, paid time off, paid leave, and compensation is pretty legit. Alright, can I film my video now? Oh, here we go. Do you guys want to be part of this too? Let's do a little video. Oh, here here. I'm gonna secretly record this while I do it. You guys ready? Wow, this quality is great. What am I supposed to? Oh, I didn't even tell. I already lost the instructions. All right, you ready? Hi, Uber. Hi. Oh wait. Hi, government. So, I am an Uber driver for Lyft and for Uber, and I want to stay an independent contractor. So if you have any decision-making abilities to keep me an independent contractor and increase my earnings, that would be great. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day. That was the worst submission for a video ever. I was like, hi Uber. Oh wait, I'm talking to the state government. Alright. Oh, I just sent in my... Oh, I'll do that later. I don't want to show you guys my login info. That was pretty funny though. Alright, yeah, and here's the other one by Forbes. Uber proposed $21 an hour California driver minimum wage is less than New York City. Well, Rachel Sandler, aka Adam Sandler's mom, she covers breaking news. Ooh, that guy looks mad. That guy looks pretty happy. That guy's like, bruh. He's like, what are you doing, man? Get out of my shot, man. You cut me out of the photo. Or maybe he's trying to photobomb. Yo, this guy looks pretty stylish though. He's like, yeah, man. I'm from New York. I run New York. That guy runs New York. Top line, in an effort to stave off. What the heck does stave off mean? Do you guys know that? Dang, I just graduated from college and I still don't even know these words that are in Forbes. I don't even have, a vertical wooden post or plank in a building or other structure. Another term for staff. Break something. Oh, there we go. It means break something. Cool. In an effort to stave off, and that's a stupid word. Why you gotta use stave off? Just use like, I don't know. If passed, would reclassify ride-hailing drivers in California as employees instead of independent contractors. Uber is proposing a $21 minimum wage in the state and paid time off. All right, I'm back. Okay, so here we go. If state lawmakers aren't satisfied, Uber and Lyft announced Thursday that they would put $60 million toward a ballot measure to keep drivers' contracts at $21 per hour minimum wage. Includes driver expenses, which is still less than NYC's legally mandated ride-hailing driver minimum wage of $26.51, including expenses. Uber says drivers will only be on the clock while on the trip, which exclude. So this is not even time in between rides. So if you're chilling waiting for a ride, you're not being paid the 21 bucks. So imagine, I mean, there's some times where I'm waiting 5-10 minutes in between every ride. So if I'm just sitting there chilling, that's basically I'm getting $0, which I already would be getting $0, but you know, at least, so it's not $21 per hour, it's $21 per hour on a trip. So does that make sense? So like you might only get $21 every 2 hours if you're waiting half the time. So that's not great, honestly. Uber's proposal, I mean, especially in here in LA and Orange County, like that's fine. Like I'm always getting rides pretty much. But imagine if you're driving in Utah or Nebraska or North Carolina, NorCal, dude. If you're in NorCal, dude, you're not getting rides all the time, constantly. You're not making 21 bucks an hour. You're making probably 15 an hour. And you know, because does that make sense though with the gap in between rides? While activists have been calling on ride-hailing companies to allow drivers to unionize, Uber's proposal doesn't specifically say that drivers can form unions. Gosh, that's no-no. That's a no-no right there. The company only says it would empower drivers to have a collective voice with rideshare. Okay, that's fine then. Yeah, I mean, I don't need a union as long as they have a collective voice and the ability to influence decisions. I want to be a hashtag influencer, so yes, count me in. The offer from Uber wasn't enough to satisfy labor groups, who said the proposal, which Uber will voluntarily enact in lieu of any legislation, would kneecap efforts to raise wages down the line and create unions. $20 isn't a living wage for any category worker in the San Francisco metro area except a single adult or two adults living together, tweeted gig workers rising. A San Jose-based organization supporting AB5, the bill that would make drivers employees. 3 2020 Democratic candidates have endorsed AB5: Senator Kamala Harris, Senator Elizabeth Warren, and Senator Bernie Sanders. Key background: drivers have been protesting against Uber and Lyft for years, as for higher wages and more benefits. They say in high-cost cities like SF, many drivers being priced out into areas far, far away, where most of the business even resorting in some cases sleeping in their cars. Guys, if you have to sleep in your car to drive for Uber, move on, do something else. You don't want to sleep in your car while you're driving for Uber. That's not safe. And also psychologically, if you're, is that a fly? Is that a fly? It's gross. There's a fly on my, it's like dead and it's just like hanging there. Ugh. If you're sleeping, okay, psychologically, this is why they say don't work in your bedroom, which what I'm doing is horrible right now. I should be working outside, because if I'm associating, my bedroom should just be associated for sleep and then in other activities. but like work and stuff should be somewhere else. So if you're sleeping in your workplace, that's really unhealthy. Elon Musk did that while he was trying to, 10x the production of Model 3, which, I mean, he can do it. I won't blame him. He can do it. He probably had a nice bed in there though. But if you're sleeping in your car and then you wake up and drive, you're gonna psychologically almost fall back asleep. But yeah. Anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts. My camera's about to die, so I really have to go. So sorry, blame it on the camera. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. And subscribe if you want to be notified every single time I do post a video. You guys are honestly the best hashtag Uber, hashtag Lyft drivers on the internet. You guys are killing it, absolutely killing it. I've heard some amazing stories so far. According to the economic policy, I'll leave you guys with a food for thought. Uber drivers make on average $921 per hour after expenses. So let me know how much you make, and is $21 an hour enough? All right, I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a good day. Later, guys. Peace.